What's up, guys? Offering for sale 1920 Harley Davidson board tracks racer. 1920. It was purchased from Los Angeles out of an insurance company. It's missing a carburetor. It's missing a set of pedals and a chain coming from engine to the sprocket. That's a very rare find in a real good condition. Bike has been recently restored, and then it was spray painted with some kind of a spray which we took mostly out, as you can see, but some of it still left here. A little bit on the wheels. Original seat, messenger seat, oil tanks. It's pretty clean inside. Missing a hand grip on the left side. Throttle grip is here. Engine. And we're gonna pull up all the numbers on the engine as much as we can find. So here it says JM on the bottom. On the bottom it says, let's see, it says Julia. Okay, there's another numbers here on the engine. Let's see. Okay, 24734. That's the bottom of the engine. There's a little bit of a paint peeling here. You guys are welcome to contact me through email evpcycles@gmail.com. Once again, evpcycles@gmail.com for information on the price. And we are located in St. Louis, Missouri. Spark plugs. Let's see. That's inside of the engine. Thank you for viewing. Once again, you can contact me at evpcycles@gmail.com. My name is Eugene. Thank you.